because you're going to have some assignments on rhyme scheme poem in the days to come. So let's get started. Let's review what those rhyme scheme patterns are. So the first pattern we have is pattern number 1, which includes AA, BB. You might not remember, but remember that, well, let me remind you that AA, BB represents the end of the line and where there is a rhyme. Remember, end of the line, there is a rhyme, okay? So the AA means that my two A's, line 1 and 2, will be the same rhyme scheme. Lines 3 and 4 will be the same rhyme scheme. So my end of the word for each line for AA, BB will rhyme. So here's my point. There was a boy, he had a toy that could ring and also ding. Where did we hear those rhyme patterns? At line 1 and 2 for boy and toy, and line 3 and 4 for ring and ding. Okay? Let's move on to pattern number 2. We have a pattern rhyme scheme of AB, AB. So that means our lines A, number 1, will rhyme with line 3, which also has an A, and line 2 and 4 will rhyme because they represent rhyme B. Make sure you can see. Okay? See, I rhyme too. Okay, so my poem is, one day as I sat, I saw a mouse. Next was a cat. They ran in my house. So I have sat and cat for line 1 and 3 to rhyme, and I have mouse and house for lines 2 and 4 to rhyme as well. Get it? I hope so. If you don't, make sure you call me or send me a message if you are lost. So let's move on to rhyme scheme number 3. Okay, let me just adjust 1 second. There we go. All right, there. There it is. Okay, so rhyme pattern number 3 is ABC and ends with an A. Okay, so we know that our ending words will be the ones that rhyme that match up, and the ones that don't match up will not rhyme. So it says, I saw Grandpa. He looked at me. I looked at him. It made me stop. So we see our rhyming lines are line 1 and line 4. Okay, those are the only lines that rhyme because B and C don't match each other. Those alphabets don't match. They do not rhyme. Those ending words on the lines don't rhyme. And let's finally make our way to pattern number 4. Walking downstairs. Oh, let me back up. Miss Rita's ahead of the game. Let's go back and talk about where those rhyme schemes line, where they're going to end up in the line. So here we have a different pattern that we've had before. We have A, B, B, A. So that's telling me, without even looking, that line 1 and line 4 will rhyme, and line 2 and line 3 are to rhyme. So my poem reads, walking downstairs, I heard Mom say, hurry to pray, I gave away my cares. Okay? So that is not the way that poem is supposed to be. Yeah, that is right, because downstairs and cares. Miss Reed just forgot.